Yeah, this is Advait Channu. Today, we're gonna discuss about ICP5. Creating a tasks over five text files. I'm doing some tasks related to TF-IDF, and here we're gonna find out top 10 IDF words for the five text files. For this, I have created uh, five text files, and the data is from news articles and news blogs. So for this, and the second task is just again extracting the top 10 TDF words without using NLP, that is natural language processing, and so same we can use lambdization and with n-grams as well. So as we can compare the results as well, for you can see. First we need to extract the files. So I already made upload these files in content, so that it will pull the files from this location, and it will extract the data. So this is what finding the top 10 words from the above files. If you can see the words, so here from these files, so these are the top 10 words. So India, England, is for, and these are the things. These are the top 10 words, like you can see. So like this, I am gonna create in the same way, I'm gonna extract top 10 files for the lambdized input. So for that, I'm gonna do first I need to I am creating some files, and from doc1 contains text t1.txt. In the same way, I am pushing these things in words1 words2 files. So and then I'm gonna change convert into lambdized document. So this will convert into lambdized document, which contains lambdized input. So when we pass this lambdized input, we're gonna get some output. So this is how the output looks like. So when we're passing the lambdized input, and this is output we got. So in the same way, when we do for n-gram based input, so this in the same way, we're gonna do convert into n-gram doc. Like in the previous example, we converted into some graphs. We converted into some lambdized input files. So in the same way, we're gonna do for n-gram text files, and this is how this contains n-gram input data. So when you pass these things, so this is the output. The output will look like this. So we have some to control the second text. So this is the data from those text files. So this is about task 1. And coming to task 2, so for this task, we need to install Spark. So we need to install some dependencies, which were already discussed in the class. So for this, we can create Spark sessions, and we can close whenever we want. Coming to second task, so here we are using WordNet, so WTV content. So for this, in the same way, we're gonna extract top 10 IDF words from the WordNet, and here we're gonna do. So as you can see here, we have words top 10 TF IDF words. So for this, we're gonna do without NLP. So as you can see, I don't we are not using any NLP libraries like that. So just we are using, so from we are extracting some, we are removing some, just we created some label and features. So you can see row label document New Delhi. So this is the first file, this is second file. So it labels the contents. So everything will be labeled here, you can see each and every word and the label. So in the same way, we're gonna do in the lambdization. So using here we are using NLTK libraries, and we are importing those things. For this, in the same way, we're gonna convert the words, the files into lambdized document, and then we are passing and we are creating some, we are extracting these words. So like if you can see here, like these are the this is the output for my text files, New Delhi, London. So these words, like as you can see, this is for without, if you are using lemmatization, with the lemmatization the output looks like this, and like if you use NLP, like the output looks like this. So like we can see the difference between these things, like using n-grams. So now for using n-grams, like if you can see here, so like we can see label features and how these are the word contents, like 0 1 2 3 4. So this 200, like you can see the numbers, like it will align to new will be 0, Delhi will be 2. So this is how the labeling will happen. So these are the many operations for the ICP5. So like it's quite interesting topic, and Spark, I think Spark we're gonna use more, and it will be useful for data extraction, and using the like extracting the useful content, so which will be helpful. So this is like I'm done, like this is for ICP5. Like for more details, like you can see my wiki, so where I detail explanation will be there. Thank you.